So it's summertime, and a lot of people are into boating, a great hobby for the state of Michigan as well as the Midwest. And a question that we often get with our homeowners clients is my boat covered on my homeowners policy? And the answer is no. There is some very limited coverage for watercraft on an unendorsed homeowners policy, meaning you don't have any special coverages. But in general, think of it this way. If your vehicle, boat, snowmobile, motorcycle, whatever, has some type of an ID number that the state of Michigan puts on it, that's a pretty good indication that you probably need some special coverage and you need to call your agent. So it doesn't mean that you have to have coverage. Of course, it's optional. But if you do want coverage, particularly things like theft, hail damage, fire, it's a good idea to get that boat scheduled on your policy. And that really leads into a larger question of, well, isn't my car that's parked in my garage that I'm not using and it's not on my auto insurance, isn't that covered on my homeowner's policy? Or my motorcycle? Or my snowmobiles when they're in the pole barn? Isn't that all covered on my homeowner's policy? And again, a good rule of thumb is if you've got some type of a registration that you filled out either when you bought the toy, vehicle, boat, whatever that it might be, you probably need some special coverage for that. And it is not considered personal property like your clothing or your refrigerator or your stove would be. So always best to check with an agent anytime you've got some type of special vehicle, toy, RV that you have some type of registration with the state. Hope that answers this week's question for Ask an Agent. Thanks so much.